wanted to come to open house because to present to my mom to my work.
This week is Texas Public Schools Week, and we kick it off by having our annual open house for the spring semester. So we have a lot of parents, a lot of families, grandparents, aunts and uncles that are in the building. Our students are showcasing today their work from the fall semester into the spring, so lots of excitement in the air. Students are showcasing projects, different things that they've done in the classroom throughout the semester, and our families are just really excited to be here, just kind of reflect on all the work that's been done and all the work that's to come to the end of the school year. So we're very excited about having all of these families here today.
So it's important that the parents, teachers, and the student or the child know that all together we're community. And they need to understand that we are always open and welcoming to them and making sure that there is open communication and they can always come in, visit, and see what it is they're learning. There's a lot of new skills and lessons that their kids are learning. We want to make sure that they stay on track. A lot of parents can't always come at certain times, but this date allows them to maybe catch that one time that they can come and ask, and the child can also share what they've been learning throughout the year.
It's all about building relationships and making sure that there is that communication with the parents and the teachers. So this is a time that the students are able to shine, and also giving those parents that opportunity to see what their child is doing, at the campus.
Good job, buddy. High five.